What's up, guys and girls? All Pro Exterior Services out here again, grinding with a DJI camera. Anyway, we're on this job today. This is our first job. Got a gutter cleaning just the front of the house. You can see here Tony's already up there. We already got half of it done. Quite a bit of pine straw in that gutter and coming out. So, and in those valleys, you know, if it's too steep of a roof to walk, we got that extended brush, that pole from for our window cleaning we use. Let's see on this side. Yeah, no gutters. I already planted them for a house wash, so we're gonna do that next. Custom homes back in this little subdivision. Very nice homes. Anyway, we're gonna get wrapped up here. Like I said, we're about 30% done. Been here about 5-10 minutes. Just undid the ladder, and we're gonna roll. Go check this side. Oh yeah, it needs washing. Not too much organic, but just bugs. Look at it. Look at the bugs. Anyway, all right, we'll get you more footage here in a minute. It's all gutter cleaning, nothing new here. We pick up all of our stuff. We blow some of this. We'll blow it into the woods because that's what it is. And then we rake it up, make it look very nice, make sure everything's flowing. We also blow out the downspouts in the event they've clogged. We may have to pull out the 8-gallon or the Mo Flo. We golden. All right, peace. All right, guys, just showing you what's kind of going on. This is the almighty gutter tool. If you don't have one, I suggest you get one, or potentially two. They do break a plastic, but right here. I don't have no links in the description, no affiliates. Just, you know, search maybe gutter tool, gutter cleaning tool. There you go. Anyway, we're about done. Rolling out. Peace. Guys, job 3. I didn't film the last job. We did a lot of gutter cleaning. I don't know. I'm expecting some rain next week, so I think people are getting prepared. But this one was full, had trees growing out of it. So we got it all done. Took us about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And we're just gonna blow. This is all stuff not from the gutters, but we're gonna do our due diligence and clean it up for the customer. We already set them up on an annual. And we're gonna come back and wash this roof. They're doing some construction now, but she wants the house wash too, so we went ahead and set that up right away. Yeah, gutter cleaning, not the favorite thing to do, but good money when you do it, because if nobody else wants to clean gutters, that means, you know, there's an opportunity. So anyway, we'll catch up on the next job with the Moflow action. All right, peace. We're on a 4th project for the day. Got a Moflow special for you. All Moflow, no flat work, no nothing. So let's take a look at it. All vinyl is always fun to do. You can see this side over here. The whole house is like that, and they got people in the back. And I was gonna try to show you some back photos, but it's yeah. We see we got that little piece there. We want to cover that up. But Tony's on it. He knows what to do. So we're gonna Moflow it, and we're gonna prime that Moflow. I'm still trying to dial it in a little bit. It's been working great, but and I got to do a better job with moving a little faster because it shoots so much faster. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can of it. But again, if I got people on my hip, I don't want to, you know, put nobody on camera that don't want to be on camera. So let me catch up. All right, guys, we got that Moflow. Again, we're still dialing it in. So we're I got the soap on little 3 or 3.5. I mean the soap, the SH. Just turned the pump on, so we should be getting SH here in a minute. So we'll start seeing some soap, and we can do a good test with this. Here we go. Oh, sorry, guys. Moflow blowing some action. May have to bump it on this house. This house is kind of nasty, to say the least. Just been dirty, you know. That's what we do. Now smell it. Now smell it. And I did put a marker on it, so we're gonna hit this. All right, I'm gonna hit this whole side and a little bit of front, so I get this and catch up. Alright guys, we're on the second side, folks. Just got the Moflow turned on. First side came out beautiful. We did the side in the front, the partial front. And then we already hit our windows. So we wait on SH. So again, I like to, when I see soap, which is good, but then I let it go a little bit longer for SH. And we're using, I don't know, we used 3-4 gallons already, so we running it. No, maybe 2 gallons. Anyway, waiting on SH. And I'm gonna try to get as much as I can on film. So again, what I do is when I got soap, I know it's soap. I don't know if it's SH. So I let it run a little bit. Then I come in and I hit it with some SH. Make sure we got good SH. So yeah, getting it done. Mo Flo to the rescue, baby. Thing's a beast, man. It really is. And I know it's a lick. It's a lick. I get it. But man, it's a nice. Spraying like a fire hose in here. Let me knock this down. That Moflow got that power. Pushed it up. Get these windows good. Yes, sir. Moflow, Moflow, Moflow. All right, let me finish spraying. I may get some rinse mode. All right, peace. We had to hit this wall twice. Look, you see that stuff in that in those shutters in between them? They white, so we put a little hot mix on it, about a 2-3%, about more like 3. We're trying to get it off, but man, it's been tough. So we just letting it marinate. I already hit the back too, so trying to get that off. With that Moflow. We tried to brush it, but you got to get in those grooves. Huh. You have to hit it with a hot mix, hotter mix, shit. Yeah, it's not coming off. Alright, let me get back and punt. Alright, catch up, peace. Our backside finished enough. Just gotta come get some H2O. They said if you wait till you're thirsty to drink, it's too late. You put it down for a minute. You see the SH, man, we went through, I don't know, what was that, 47? Almost 10 gallons. Well, you can still see that stuff in the windows, man. I'm not really happy with that. Anyway, we'll catch up. Peace. Alright, guys and girls, we wrapped it up. Tony, say what up.
What up?
Yeah, we had the customer come out, so we really couldn't get no footage. And anyway, he was like, "Oh my gosh, can't believe you came clean and quick," you know. And we're gonna put them on an annual, so we signed up 3 annuals today. So book of business is booming. We got next week, I think we got like, I don't know, 8 or 10 annuals that popped up. Also got a few quotes I gotta run, so we'll get her done. We're done for the day. Tapping out. It is 2:07. 4 projects today, and it's hot. It's about 9 million degrees. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.